Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my journal, which is the Sophisticated Florals Classic Size Happy Planner, and I am planning for the week of December 6th through the 12th. I'm going to be doing something different and unusual for me. I am going to be using a sticker sheet that's not a Happy Planner or a known brand. I just purchased this, I think either off of AliExpress or like Amazon somewhere long ago. They were meant to be used in one of my scrapbook spreads, but I never got to it, and now it's gonna end up in my planner. I wanted to break up a little bit of the red and white Christmas, so I'm adding this into my planner. And while I'm pulling that wreath off, I wanted to say thank you. If this is your first time stopping in, welcome. If you are coming back, thank you so very much for spending this time with me. I truly appreciate you. So first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and put this wreath down. Look at the ballerina, and then the black swan, and then the ballet shoes. It's just so all so gorgeous. I couldn't stop myself. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this washi. It is from Live Love Posh. It was in one of her sets, so I'm just adding it in. I think it's just very fitting for a black swan spread, and I couldn't help myself. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull a big piece now, and it's going to be the dress. And of course I broke it because these stickers are permanent, so once you stick them down, it's impossible to take them off. Okay, but I fixed it. Isn't that dress just simply beautiful? And I have a second one, but this one has a little bit of a background, and I want to add that to a spread as well. Maybe like on a Friday or Saturday. Well, let's see. Here, maybe. Yeah. Like I said, once it's done because these are very hard to move. Maybe with the help of the undo, but even then I'm not really sure. So I'm gonna add this beautiful swan with the pink flowers right there, and I'm gonna run the rest of that washi on the other side to match it. Not sure why I'm having such a difficult time with this washi because it's so tiny, but let me go ahead and place it down. And then the beautiful color for washi that I'm using is also Live Love Posh. So if you have one, you probably know how beautiful it is in person. It's just really gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna run the same thing on the top. I think that's gonna look really pretty. I'm gonna see if I can undo a little corner of the dress and put it on top of the washi. I'm not sure if I can. Let's see. I'm gonna do some sticker surgery here, and if it works, great. If not, I'm gonna cut the washi around. So let's see. Yep, just barely. These are so sticky. Need to be so careful because they're so sticky but also so delicate at the same time, so they rip quite easy. Okay, so I'm just gonna end it early and be done because it's not lifting very well. Okay, and then I'm gonna do another swan. As you can see, as you probably saw, it takes a little bit of force to take them off, even from sticker paper. So that's what I'm doing. They're on a very interesting paper. It's like semi-gloss where it has like a slight shine to it, but still has a white background. It's an unusual sticker type. I mean, that wreath, I can probably write in it, but not super easily. So I wonder how it's going to go. So now I'm gonna add all of these little pieces to my spread, and hopefully this works pretty well. So it's time for all the little pieces in the world. Oh, look at these feathers, like everything in that sticker set is just gorgeous. I'll try to remember where I bought it, and if I find it, I will go ahead and link it for you guys. I will go search for it, but it's been, I have to have it for at least like 4 or 5 years, maybe longer. So it's not going to be one of those easy peasy things to find. Okay, and of course, Mojo Jojo plans to the rescue. I'm gonna go ahead and add a box so I can journal in here. I'm gonna add a couple more boxes on that side. And then this way I can decorate all around the boxes once I know where they go, and then I'll be able to journal about this week. And I'll do the same thing up here. Just if I could do it straight. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. I don't mind that it's not in the center because I'll put something there and it'll be fine. So let me go ahead and cut this little pink rose in half, and I'm gonna add it to the boxes. And that just makes it a little bit different. Okay, there we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more of those little tiny details all over the place. I just love them so much. I think they're simply stunning and beautiful. And whoever designed these stickers, a great job. So I'm not doing Black Swan because like, there's no really particular reason for it. What made me think about it is on Sunday we're going to see the Nutcracker, and it made me think about plays. It made me think about Black Swan, and I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and decorate in like a style of a theater in general, not necessarily on what I'm seeing, but in like a general manner. And I think it looks pretty good. You guys can let me know what you think about this, but I think it's pretty decent. So there's that. There's a couple more boxes like so. I'm gonna add one right underneath that beautiful dress, and then I can play with the elements. Look at these gold roses, just so stunning. And then these I'm gonna add like so. And a couple more. Okay, can you guys believe it's almost Christmas? It's like 2 weeks away. Holy smokes, right? Have you finished Christmas shopping? Have you decided what you're getting? How is all of that working for you guys? And do you decorate, like, do you wrap your presents and decorate them right away? Do you wait and do it like in a one swift night, or how does that work? I just ended up putting my Christmas tree over this weekend, and Oh my gosh, am I in love. Like, I love the ambience of the Christmas tree and the lights and anything Christmas. And then once January comes, I'm gonna be back in like the full on moping mood, I guess, because everything will have to go back into the boxes. I wish I could keep Christmas around for much, much longer. Okay, I'm gonna cut that little piece and I'm gonna add it to the box so it looks like a crown. And then it's gonna be pretty much done, almost. Look at that, isn't that fun? Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a few of those roses. And another one on a corner like that. I think that's beautiful. And another gold leaf. Like that. And then let's see if I can use that half a rose somewhere like that so it's not wasted. I really, like I said, I really adore these stickers. So I ended up using all of them. And I'm just gonna add a striped washi to part of that other one, and then we'll see how it goes and how it looks. But I think I like it. I think I like the way that looks. Yeah, I like that layer look. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those. And then the other one, like so. I think my spread is practically done, my darlings. I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thank you for spending some time. Bye!